Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. In this golden moment, I feel too proud to announce the rank holders. So, I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. C. Gobinath sir, to prize our rank holder with a shield. Please, sir. First of all, I would like to call our first rank holder, KV Sweta, secured 593 marks, and also she got centum in physics and chemistry in HSC board examination. Give a big applause to encourage her. Congratulations, dear. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to call our first rank holder, E. Tejavarshini, secured 494 marks in SSLC board examination. Congratulations, dear. Please, hands together. Congratulations, dear. Thank you, sir. Our second rank holder, T. Divya Dharani, secured 486 marks in SSLC board examination. Congratulations, dear. Our third rank holder, M. Preetika, secured 485 marks in SSLC board examination. Congratulations, dear. Please, hands together to give a big applause to encourage her. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for praising the student. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite our guest of honor, Mr. PSK or Perisami sir, to honor our NEET rank holders. I would like to call our first rank NEET rank holder, K. Anant Narayanan, secured 583 marks in NEET examination. Congratulations, dear. Please give a big applause to encourage my dear students. Thank you, sir. Our second rank holder, KV Sweta, secured 524 marks in NEET examination. Congratulations, dear. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for honoring our students. Next, I humbly request our Honorable Chief Guest and a guest of honor to praise our competition winners. This is a golden moment to honor our academic achievers. Time. This is a golden time. Tamil Rhymes competition winners from KGs. Janusri, yes. Shanvika VK, Viviksha, yes. Pragna NG, Pragya yes. Darshana, yes. Sanjana H, Rogit T, Agaran A, Atika V, Joshwin Jerit A, Jivagya Sri, yes. Congratulations, little tots. Please give a big applause to encourage our kiddies. Tamil storytelling winners from KG, Janusri, yes. Rashita, M. Viviksha, yes. Pragyasri, yes. Pragna, NG. Dharanish, yes. Agaran, A. Dashita, D. Sugit, NP. Sharmisa, yes. Atvika, V. Litishan, V. Congratulate the winners, ma'am. Please, winners, sir. Please, our kiddies are waiting for your applause. Please. English Rhymes competition winners from KG, Viviksha, yes. Nainika, yes. Janusri, yes. Pragna, NG. Pragyasri, yes. Ajay Amudan, D. Sanjana H, Agaran A, Dikshita D, Jeeviha Sri S, Atvika B, Sharmista S. Please give a big applause to encourage our kiddies. Please. Congratulations kids. Stand up. Tirukkural recitation competition winners from KG, Viviksha S, Janusri S, Ruhanika A, Ajay Amudan D, Pragana NG, Kirtika Yadav K, and Dikshita D, Sanjana H, Rogita T, Sharmisa S, Diyasri S, Menmoli D. Malar ma'am, please come and announce the winners.
English elocution competition winners. Madhivadini first A, Muhammad Agna second A, Yuvadi third A, Sanjana Shri fourth D, Prashant fifth D, Monisha V sixth C, Tanushri PK seventh A, Janet Prerna eighth A, Yashika Shri ninth B. English elocution competition second prize holders Kaumika MS first B, Avantika K second B, Mitran third D, Ranjit fourth D, Negan fifth A, Jyoti Krishna sixth B, Nisita seventh B, Varnika eighth B, Sri Sanchana ninth B. English elocution competition third prize holders Risha Sanshita first D, Koshna VM second D, Mithun R third C, Sanchana S fourth B, Mohammad Anas fifth D, Navyashri S sixth C, Sashmina K seventh A, Prajit R eighth A, Vitula S ninth B. English essay writing competitions first prize holders Sam Rakshit 4th E, Mohammad Anas S 5th D, Vaishali ED 6th E, Hashini S 7th A, Rakshita T 8th A, Dasmita R 9th B. Second prize holders Makisha S 4th A, Kabilesh Raj K 5th A, Navya Shri S 6th C, Ajay Pranav PN 7th D, Amrita Varshini D 8th A, Darshini C 9th B. Third prize holders Sri Biga AL 4th B, Rishant M 5th D, Dhanushri TV 6th C, Shivani A 7th A, Sashika V 8th A, Nitinya V 9th B. Tirukkural recitation competition first prize holders Kaumika M S first B, Mohammad Agnaf second A, Mitran S third D, Sanjana S fourth B, Hemant T fifth A, Vaishali D sixth E, Sashmina K seventh A, Nega Shri SB eighth A. Second prize holders Grishan fifth A, Varsha A first C, Sanmati T second A, Sashmita Shri S third D, Ranjit C fourth D, Diya Sanshita C 5th D, Sashwin Surya D 6th E, Kanishka M 7th B, Hemant S 8th A. Third prize holders Dishant M 1st B, Pranesh K 2nd A, Yuvadi 3rd B, Jessie Dora B 4th D, Harinita PT 5th D, Abhinita S 6th D, Tanya RS 7th E, Jayashri P 8th A. Tamil speech competition first prize holders Gobisha D 1st D, Raghuram Raja K 2nd B, Yuvanti S 3rd B, Ranjit C 4th D, Diya Sanshita C 5th D, Gayatri N 6th E, Tanushri PK 7th A, Kavishri S 8th B, Yashika Shri S 9th B. Second prize holders, Kaumika MS first B, Mohammad Agnaf S second A, Rakshan M third B, Sanjana Shri R fourth D, Mohammad Anas S fifth D, Deepsika DR sixth D, Nisita B seventh B, Prajit R eighth A, Sriram A ninth A. Third prize holders, Chaitvi Krish D first A, Koshna VM second D, Harnish M third B, Dhanushri DK fourth D, Nehan N fifth A, Lakshika N sixth C, Kaushik Priyan V seventh A, Divyashri K eighth A, Surenidhi S N ninth B, Shreya Varshini ninth A. Drawing competition, first prize holders, Gobisha D first D, Tamilinian A N second B, Mitran S third D, Maunita N fourth E, Jotsana R K fifth E, Ritika N sixth B, Kavilashini M seventh D, Shivalini S eighth A, Ashwant G ninth A. Second prize holders, Kaumika M S first B, Diyashini M G second C, Bigut P R third B, Pratiksha B third D, Mithun Ram A fourth C, Megha Shri V fifth C, Sanjana Varshini J fifth C, Gogalishwar S sixth A, Shri Malya C seventh A, Tanu Varshana A eighth A, Uma R.Y. ninth B. Third prize holders, Yalini S first A, Rakshita K second A, Mohammad Rishat A third E, Sujidharan R fourth A, Vemika D fifth A, Sashmita BB sixth B, Sabarisha K seventh C, Anusha K eighth A, Vikash N ninth D.
NK Kaushik from 5th B has secured the first prize in 100 meter and a third prize in 400 meter race. S. Ritika from 5th B has secured the first prize in shot put and high jump. M. Sasmita from 7th A has secured the first prize in 100 meter and a 200 meter sprint race. M. Kavideep from 7th C has secured the first prize in shot put and second prize in disc throw. D. Bhavan from 3rd place from 200 meter and a 600 meter race. SS Vedavarna from 9th B has secured the second prize in shot put and first prize in disc throw. Next, I humbly request our honorable chief guest and guest of honor to prize our competition winners. I feel so delighted to announce our sports meet overall championship goes to Yellow House. Please. Please cheer them. Please give a big applause. Please. We don't hear. Please. We expect the thunder clap. Congratulations to all yellow team winners. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for prizing them.
I am so delighted to welcome Mrs. T. Vijayalakshmi ma'am to give a brief intro about our favorite chief guest.
தொன்று நிகழ்ந்ததனைத்து முணர்ந்திடும் சூழ்களை வாணர்களும் இவள் என்று பிறந்த